Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have an administrator account and a current system restore point. This protects you if something goes wrong. Once ready, decide whether you need to rename the PC itself or just the sign-in display name. These are different. Make sure to close unsaved work and sign out other users, then open Settings System About or press Win+R and type System. CPL to jump to the Computer Name tab to start the change. You now perform the rename step by step. For the PC name, click Change on the Computer Name tab, type the new host name, and accept the prompt to restart. Windows requires a reboot. If you use a Microsoft account, edit the display name online and sign out, then back in. This syncs to the lock screen. For local users, open Control Panel User Accounts and change the account name. Make sure to test by signing out to view the new label. Finish by restarting the PC and verifying the new name appears in Settings System About and on the sign-in screen. This confirms successful propagation. If the name didn't change, make sure the device isn't joined to a domain or governed by group policy, which can block renames. Contact your admin if so. As a final tip, if something breaks, use your system restore point to roll back, then reapply steps more cautiously to avoid conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.